Mr. Pure Energy Gary Valenciano, nalugmo noon at kunestyon ng Panginoon sa sunod-sunod na sakit. Kinestyon din ng OPM icon na si Gary Valenciano ang Panginoon noong nagsunod-sunod ang pagdating ng pagsubok, particular na sa kanyang kalusugan. Nagbahagi ang award-winning singer-songwriter ng mga pinagdaanan niya sa buhay nitong mga nagdaang taon, kabilang na ang kanyang pagkakasakit. Inilarawan ni Gary V ang sarili bilang isang walking miracle matapos sumailalim sa open heart surgery at makipaglaban sa kidney cancer. Bukod pa riyan ang kanyang diabetes na isang lifelong condition. Sa panayam ng broadcast journalist na si Karen Davila para sa kanyang YouTube channel, nag-open up si Gary kung paano niya nalagpasan at natagumpayan ang mga medical challenges na pinagdaanan niya. Isa sa mga naitanong sa kanya kung naramdaman ba niyang katapusan na ng kanyang buhay dahil sa pagkakaroon ng iba't ibang sakit. No, I never thought this is it. But I told myself if this is it, I think I left behind enough to continue the legacy. My music will continue to plant seed on good soil and that's okay now with me. I can't complain. I've been given an awesome life and then I have great children who are now spreading their wings and flying, so what else pa? But syempre, there was that fear of could this be it? But I didn't think that this is probably the moment I'm going to die. No, anya pa. Napaisip din ba niya na baka hindi na siya makapag-perform tulad ng dati matapos sumailalim sa open heart surgery? For a while, just to put up my hand, it kinda hurts, parang magbubukas yung dibdib. But the one that got me with made me feel I'm not going to be the same again, which was a lie. Was when I was down and it was the first time I was going to go on the bike. I ride bikes all the time and I didn't have the strength, anya pa. Kasunod nito, unti-unti na ngang bumiti ang kondisyon ni Gary pero makalipas ng 2 linggo na diagnose siya ng cancer sa kidney. Nang dahil dito, may pagkakataon na kondisyon din niya ang Panginoon. I did question na what is this all for? Wasn't this enough? Isn't the diabetes enough? What is this? And when I look at the bigger picture here, if I didn't have the bypass, they would have not diagnosed the kidney with cancer because there were no symptoms. Anya pa. I had symptoms in my chest area but I did not any symptoms sa kidney. Nahirapan daw ang iconic OPM artist na ipagtapat ang pagkakaroon ng kidney cancer sa kanyang pamilya. I shed tears when I had to tell my son Paulo Valenciano. That was kinda difficult to say because I know the family were all shook up when they found out that I was going to have a bypass, and I come to them 2 weeks later with them thinking that I was healing and tell them I have cancer. Taong 2018 nang ibalita sa kanya ng doktor na cancer-free matapos sumailalim sa chemotherapy at radiation. When God restores, He's not going to bring you back to the former. He always brings you back higher than where you were before. I experienced that time and time again, so I say that with confidence, say pa ni Gary Valenciano.